Hi, I'm Zane from Atlantis Skincare, and this is last video in the series How to Prepare to Party. And today I'm going to talk about foundation and concealer use. If you're going or preparing to party your ball, I would recommend you to take a look online or in the shops for a foundation which contains particles like gold. It's not going to be gold, but feeling of cream will be like golden shine on your skin. Why you need the shine? Because when you are tired or you had no time prepare because you was working hard, the quickest way how you can improve your overall look is foundation with shining particles, because in a light way kind of attracts light, and as a result it looks like your skin is shining. So basically this is very quick way how to look great and glowing without really being feeling great and glowy. So another thing is if you have like some imperfections on your skin, you can use concealer. And for example, if you have rosacea or you have red patches on your face, you always can use greenish concealer, because green color masks red color. So basically result is healthy looking skin. I would recommend you, of course, to prepare some days before party and try this concealer on your problem zones and see how it looks in a mirror, because I can't guarantee it will definitely look like this for your skin type or your skin problem, but in overall this is how it works. Also, for example, purple ones are working if you have like yellowish skin and you really want a glowing pink one. So choose yellowish concealer. Also pink one is helping if you have dark circles around your eyes or any dark patches on your face. So try pink one. If you have very pale skin and you wanna to improve overall look at this, try yellow concealer. And for dark circles also peach color concealer could help. So basically it is choice of concealers and choice of how to mask your problem on your skin. But maybe the best way is to go to large department stores, and they also have consultants available. Just ask them to try different concealers on your skin, so you don't need to buy them and spend your money before you know how it really works on your skin. So this could be quite good investment if you know it is your skin's problem and you should go to somewhere where you want to impress with your look. This is it from me. I hope you can use these ideas in order to be prepared for your parties, balls or whatever celebrations you have. I hope you will have amazing time, and see you in my next videos. Bye!